Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make lemon cheesecake. It's rich and creamy and it's perfect for summer, so let's get started. Firstly, we are going to start off with our cookie base. Here I have my cookie crumbs and I'm going to add in my melted butter. And I'm going to mix this until the consistency looks like wet sand. Now that my cookie mixture is ready, I'm going to pour it into a spring form tin, which I have lined with parchment paper on the bottom. Then I'm going to press my cookie crumbs onto the sides of the base and on the bottom using a cup or a spoon. Now you're going to bake your cookie base for about 10 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius, and then you're going to leave it on a cooling rack to cool down. It's time to prepare our cheesecake filling. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to add in your heavy cream and sugar. You're going to mix this using an electric hand mixer for about 2 to 3 minutes until stiff peaks. My cream is now stiff peaks consistency, and I'm going to add in my cream cheese, vanilla extract, and I'm going to give it a mix until everything is well incorporated. I'm going to add in my lemon curd, lemon juice and lemon zest, yellow food coloring. In this case I added color to enhance the yellow color, but if you want you can avoid this step. Add in your eggs, and last ingredient, flour. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl in between so that everything is well combined. Our cheesecake filling is now ready, so let's pour it over our cookie base. Now it's time to bake our cheesecake, and you're going to bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour until the center looks set. Our cheesecake is now ready and you can serve it right away. You can top it either with whipping cream or with lemon pieces. Don't forget that you can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.